Hi guys, my name is Erica and I have been doing the carnivore diet for a little over a month now. I've gone from 175 pounds to 168 pounds. I am not following a strict carnivore diet. I'm doing something considered the carnivore-ish diet, so I am doing a little bit more on the seasoning aspect of things. I did post a video yesterday talking about my 1 month update. I am a little bit more than 2 months postpartum, so if you are postpartum and you are looking into starting the carnivore diet, I do briefly touch on that in that video, but I did leave a pinned comment on that video saying that today I was going to make chicken wings that are carnivore friendly. So that is what this video is going to be. If you missed that video, or if you're seeing this video first and you are interested in seeing that video, I will post a link to that in the description. And if you watch this video and you are interested in making these wings, I will post everything you need to know as far as directions, cooking time, and all that good stuff in the comments. So if this is something you're interested in, just keep on watching.